ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Watla ka Harijan Panchayat Committee ka lapaktin. Henry ka Sorkar jala hadu menta kampat laban bu ya ka Tarik lani ka sngi ban Ïakynduh ya ki Nongïalam jong ka ni ka kanhon ban ya kren ha ka bayadai bat ka jingpen kan ria ya ki brio ki basa hatem yo maulong. Usambut Menteri Rangba ka jala uba Preston Tensong ubadai ru chairman jong ka high level committee ha ka jing kren bat kilat patai kubor ha ka arpu kandai Tarik ukalan kot arjar arpsau ulai tu ba ka Sorkar ka habban aplang ya ka sngi ka bagi Nongïalam ka Harijan Panchayat Committee na Delhi ki Lait. Namar bau Presiden badu General Secretary jongga Gurudwara ru kidai gidkot jongga committee.
We have already communicated. We are yet to receive the deal exactly. We have already discussed with, because we are waiting also for the availability of those leaders from Delhi, the President and the General Secretary of that
HPC.
Gurudwara there, because they were also part of the committee. So we have already indicated the time, so we are yet to receive. But we wanted to complete this pending issue as early as possible. I will not indicate exactly when, but from the government side, we are ready. We wanted to meet them, and once they indicate the time, we will fix accordingly. But we really wanted to complete this pending issue as early as possible.